Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of the online server on Netflix. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we search about Netflix and we click. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. After that we go to Play Store. We'll search about Netflix. And here you will update your app if you find updates, so please don't forget to support us.